Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Netflix subtitles not working. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, pause the Netflix video and open the audio and subtitles menu on the screen. Select a different subtitle language. Wait 2 seconds. Then switch back to your preferred language. If subtitles still do not appear, turn subtitles off. Wait 2 seconds. Then turn them on again. Now exit the video completely and return to the Netflix home screen. Restart the same title and check if subtitles are working. If the issue continues, close the Netflix app fully so it is not running in the background. On iPhone or Android, swipe away the app from recent apps. Then open Netflix again. On Smart TV, exit Netflix and power off the TV for 30 seconds. Then power it back on. On a web browser, close the tab, reopen Netflix, and start the video again. Next, check your internet connection because unstable streaming can break subtitles. Restart your modem or router by unplugging it for 20 seconds and plugging it back in. After the connection is back, open Netflix and test subtitles on a different show or movie. If subtitles work on another title, the first title may have a temporary subtitle issue. Now make sure your Netflix app is updated to the latest version in your app store. If an update is available, install it, then restart the device. On a browser, update the browser to the newest version and reload Netflix. Then clear Netflix cache if you are on Android by going to Settings, Apps, Netflix, Storage, Clear Cache. If you are on iPhone, uninstall Netflix and install it again because cache cannot be cleared directly. On Smart TV, delete the Netflix app if your TV allows it. Then reinstall it from the App Store. Now check device accessibility settings and make sure closed captions are not disabled system-wide. On Apple TV, go to Settings, Accessibility, Subtitles and Captioning, and turn closed captions on. On Roku, go to Settings, Accessibility, Captions, and set captions mode to on always or on replay. On PlayStation or Xbox, open System Settings and confirm captions are enabled if available. Next, disable any VPN or proxy because it can cause subtitle delivery problems. Then log out of Netflix, close the app, reopen it, and log back in. If you use multiple profiles, switch to another profile and test subtitles there too. Now reset Netflix playback settings by changing subtitle appearance, then setting it back to default on Netflix website. Finally, if nothing works, contact Netflix help and report the device, title name, and time the issue happens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.